In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Airtable. When you're working with long text fields in Airtable, it's really common for your content to get cut off, so you can only see part of it in each cell. That makes it harder to scan your data and understand what's going on at a glance. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to adjust your view so that your text wraps nicely and is fully visible, using Airtable's column sizing and row height options. First, open your browser and go to your Airtable dashboard. This is the main page where you see all of your bases. Make sure you're signed into the account where the base you want to edit is stored. Next, click on the base where you want to wrap your text. This will open the base in grid view by default, which looks a lot like a spreadsheet. If you're using a different view, that's fine, but the options we'll use are most obvious in the grid. Now, let's start by adjusting the column size. Move your cursor to the line between two column headers, right at the top where the field names are. When you hover over that dividing line, your cursor should change to a horizontal resize icon. Click and drag that line to the left to make the column narrower, or to the right to make it wider. As you do this, you'll see how Airtable automatically wraps the text inside that column, breaking it onto multiple lines when there isn't enough horizontal space. This is useful if you want to save space on screen or emphasize certain columns. Next, look towards the top of the grid, near the options like color and share. You'll see a small icon that controls row height. Click on that height icon to open the row height menu. Here, you'll see several options for how tall each row should be. Choose the medium option to increase the row height and show more of your text. This is often enough to display a few lines of content without taking up too much vertical space. If your cells contain longer notes or descriptions, click on tall to give each row even more height. This allows more lines of wrapped text to be visible without having to open each record. And if you're working with especially long entries, choose extra tall. This is the maximum height and makes it easiest to read everything at a glance. So between adjusting column widths and choosing between medium, tall, and extra tall row heights, you have a few flexible options to play around with to get your text formatting just right.